Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 activation required error. Alright, I have a fix for both who bought the game from Steam and also for the cracked version. Alright, first up for the Steam users, well, the first thing that you need to do here is to actually exit or close any Rockstar or Steam related services. Alright, just go ahead and right click on your Steam app right here and hit on exit, and the Steam app will shut down. Alright, next up, if you can see a Rockstar launcher or social club right here, just go ahead and right click again and hit on exit or close. Once done, right click on the blank space right here on your taskbar and click on task manager. Go to the details section and make sure that there is no, again, GTA related services or Steam related services running in here. If there is, just go ahead and right click on it and simply hit on add task. All right, once done, don't launch the game yet. Go ahead and open your File Explorer and then go to the Documents section right here. Click on it and then go to Rockstar Games. And as you can see here, there's a folder called Social Club. Click on it, right click and hit on Delete. All right. After that, close this one. Go ahead and locate your Steam application right here on your desktop. Or if you don't have it here, just go ahead and look it up on your search bar and type in Steam. All right. And simply hit run as administrator. Now, if you can see this one on your desktop, just right click on it and run the Steam launcher as administrator. All right, there'll be pop up. Just click on yes, and let's wait for the Steam app to open. All right, as you can see here, the Steam app launched. Just go ahead and go to the library, locate the game Grand Theft Auto 5, right click on it, go to properties, and in here go to install files and simply hit on verify integrity of game files. All right, wait for the process to finish. Once done, go ahead and play the game and enjoy. Now, if you have the cracked version, the fix for you is basically locate the Steam app. Again, right click on it, go to properties, and then in here in this window, go to compatibility tab. Make sure that you run this program in compatibility mode 4. If you are using Windows 11, go ahead and look for Windows 10 right here and select that. And if you are using Windows 10, just go ahead and use Windows 8 and simply tick on run this program as administrator. All right, once done, hit apply, then don't hit OK yet. Just go ahead and click on this one right here where it says change settings for all users. Click on that, and again, copy the same set of settings right here, run this program in compatibility mode 4 and run this program as administrator. Once done, hit apply, hit OK. This one will close. Hit OK from this one and it will close as well. Once done, don't launch the game yet. All right, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Windows Defender Firewall. All right, if you can locate this one, just go ahead and click on it and this window will open. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and go to advanced settings right here in the left side. Click on it and this window will pop up. I'm going to maximize this one. You're going to want to go ahead and go to inbound rules, then locate Grand Theft Auto right here, Grand Theft Auto 5. Everything that says Grand Theft Auto 5 right here, click on one, right click and go to properties and make sure that you simply block the connection. All right, once done, hit apply, hit OK, and do it on each Grand Theft Auto 5 service right here. All right, as well as on outbound rules, if you can see a GTA 5 right here, just go ahead and do the same thing. All right, once done, close everything, launch the game again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.